Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can enable OTG with your device Vivo V25 Pro. So if you want to enable OTG or connect Bluetooth with your device, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we move on to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable OTG or connect Bluetooth with your device.